Alright everyone, so today I'm going to be changing my work device. I'm going to be switching over from the Google Pixel 2 XL over to, that went a bit too far, the Blackberry, which one was this one again? Fred, which one did that order? We're switching over to the Blackberry KeyOne. Now the KeyOne came out in 2017. Gonna have to hide my address there. It came out in 2017. I believe it's a device that's very underrated, especially for the time it came out, especially as a work device. This is a device that can actually help you be productive. So I'm actually going to unbox this now, and I'm going to put my SIM card inside it and start using it as my daily work driver. And I'm going to feed back to everyone what my opinions are, what I think works well, what doesn't work well, and is it worth getting the Key 2 rather than the Key 1. Now this I picked up for, I believe, 295. If I've stated that wrong, then I'll correct it on the video. But yeah, let's get this open and let's see what it comes with. So this was actually from a third-party seller on Amazon. So it wasn't through Prime or anything, hence why I got it for such a low cost, and hence why it's in a box that doesn't look like it didn't come from Prime. So if I open that up, and let's empty the contents, let's take out the booklets. So the company that I got it off is Mobile Genius. They've actually given a £15 SIM card with it as well, so I didn't actually pay the £300 as I thought I might have, because if they're giving me a £15 SIM card with it, that's great. I hope it's unlocked, because if it's not unlocked, I'm screwed. Let's find out how much I actually paid. So Mobile Genius is actually a 5-star Trustpilot company, which is good to know. So that's really handy. Tells me as well what SIM card I need for the device. It is USB-C, so that's a great thing about it. So I paid in total, $199. I'm gonna hide everything else, hold on. So not 299, £199. Awesome. Now I'm even more happy because I know I've got a great deal on this device, because I'll put up some comparisons for £200. What sort of devices are you going to get? So the specs for this device are right here. Now let's get to it. I want to take out the phone last because I want to go through all the accessories that they've given. So they've given me a USB. Please tell me that's a USB-C charger. They did give me a USB-C charger and a pair of headphones. That's always lovely for companies to do that, especially when it's secondhand. I like that they give it. You know what? Company, what's your name? Because you deserve a definite shout out. Mobile Genius, you're definitely getting a shout out. Definitely going to give you some great review because you're giving everything that the customer needs within the box, especially for such a great price. So thank you for that. Alright, let's get the phone out. It's a good thing I done this last because it's actually stuck in there. Nice. Packaged well, bubble wrapped, has a certified logo on it. I did get the grey version. I'm looking forward to setting this up. Really looking forward to setting this up because I think it's going to be a great addition to my working and productivity when it comes to work. So let's get this all open. Oh, I accidentally turned it on. It's actually got some power in it. Oh, it's got a. That's nice. It's got a LED indicator. This is a very nice. It feels nice in your hand. I can definitely recommend just by holding this right now. I can tell if you, you know what? I think I'm gonna love this device already. I'm not gonna say much now because I want to actually use it and actually give you a proper recommendation for this. But it's been certified secondhand. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so I'm literally just taking off the sticker here, but you can see that the screen is actually coming off. the screen is actually coming off. I've not actually done anything with that. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Alright, I'm not going to put my SIM card in this. Mobile Genie, I will be sending this device back. Unfortunately, this may be classed as certified, repaired, and refurbished. Unfortunately, that, however, is not acceptable. Yeah, so that's fully coming apart. Unless it just sticks back in. Does it stick back in? Oh, it just clips back in. Oh, but then it pops out again. Okay, what I'm gonna do. Okay, please don't put the sticker on. This sticker is really annoying. It's leaving marks on the phone already. So avoid putting the sticker on. If you're gonna put the sticker on, put it on the outside somewhere, because not a great thing to have on the actual phone itself, especially if it's gonna leave marks. I'm not sure what's actually going on, but the screen is actually just coming apart there. I was really looking forward to having this device and using it as my primary, but it looks like I'm going to have to send it back now. I will upload this video. Mobile Genius, I was really happy with the way everything came and the price that I've actually paid for this, but I can't keep the phone when it's coming apart like that. So that's the end of that. Bye now. Please do remember to subscribe, like the video. I know I didn't actually get to do much, but I will be giving you honest reviews and advice on different things that I buy. The more you subscribe and the more you're liking the video, comments and everything like that, it helps push the channel and gives me more reason to make more content. It shows that it's wanted. So please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch up with you next time. Peace.